Use full personal protective equipment and careful technique whenever mixing and spraying Bifen or Talik around the home. Measure the concentrated product precisely and mix only the amount you need in a well-ventilated outdoor area using the label directions as your sole recipe. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, long sleeves, long pants, closed shoes, and safety goggles to prevent skin and eye contact, and use a respirator rated for pesticides if you cannot avoid enclosed spaces. Choose a calm day with wind under 10 miles per hour and face away from neighbors, doors, and air intake so drift does not carry droplets beyond the target. Keep children and pets indoors and out of the treated zone until surfaces are fully dry and re-entry intervals on the label have passed. After use, triple rinse the empty container and store any leftover diluted mixture in its original labeled container away from living areas and freezers that could allow accidental ingestion. Follow local disposal rules for pesticide waste and keep a written log of when and where treatments were applied for future reference. The most common errors are overmixing or using too high a concentration, which increases exposure risk and can damage plantings, so always follow the label concentration and measure with a calibrated container. Another frequent problem is spraying on windy days, which causes drift to unintended areas, and the fix is to postpone treatment until wind conditions are safe and use coarse droplet nozzles to reduce drift. A third issue is insufficient personal protection and re-entry timing, which raises the chance of skin contact and inhalation. Wear the right protective clothing, use a respirator if needed, and wait until surfaces are dry before allowing people or pets back in the treated area. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home pest control and other trade projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we exchange practical tips, local experiences, and contractor recommendations.